A lot of people give me weird looks when I tell them an egg white is one of the ingredients in their cocktail. Some of them don't even want to try it, but making a whiskey sour without an egg white would just be wrong. My name is Carl, and welcome to Alchemix, where I'll teach you how to create craft cocktails and improve your home bartending game. Saying an egg white is a must in a good whiskey sour is bold, since so many are made without it. Don't get me wrong, you can make the cocktail without the egg white. It will be a drinkable version of this classic cocktail, but it will be lacking. Adding egg whites is safe and adds two key components to the texture of the drink. First is emulsification. Like when mustard is used in salad dressing to bind oil and vinegar together, egg whites are used in cocktails to help blend certain flavors and ingredients. This will also help prevent the cocktail from separating before you finish it. Secondly, you will miss the rich creaminess the blended egg white gives the cocktail it's in. This texture comes from performing a dry shake, adding all the ingredients into the tin and shaking without ice. Then you add ice and wet shake. Combined with fresh lemon juice, a little simple syrup, and a great bourbon, this is one of the most balanced cocktails I have ever had. Choosing the right bourbon is always important. It's about finding the balance between a boozy burn and a smooth taste. I recommend finding a mid-range bottle of whiskey you enjoy. I don't want to sacrifice the taste of my cocktail to save money, but I'm not going to use my top shelf bourbon either. A good whiskey in the $30 to $50 price range is usually what I prefer for this recipe. I like bulleit bourbon. It has a slightly sweet flavor profile that combines well with all the other ingredients. It is perfectly acceptable to use any type of whiskey to make this cocktail, but traditionally bourbon or rye are used. I'm more of a bourbon fan, so that's my preference. Thanks for watching our recipe for a whiskey sour. We would appreciate a like and subscribe to Alchemix and come back every Tuesday for a new video. The world is your martini glass. You can fill it with whatever you want as long as it's delicious.